What products will America's future workforce make, and will that workforce have the training to do so competitively? In our cover story, those are among the challenges facing manufacturers gathered this week in Chicago. At the International Manufacturing Technology Show, filled with the latest machines to make things cheaper, faster, better, the Society of Manufacturing Engineers says the U.S. needs to do a better job convincing young people to become trained to use these machines.
A lot of students really today, they want the altruistic thing. Well, I want to make a difference in the world. We haven't explained to them how manufacturing and their role in manufacturing can change the world.
A Georgetown University study finds that by 2018, the U.S. will need at least 4.7 million high school graduates with certificates for jobs such as CNC operator, computer numerical control, which assists an operator to load material and make precise cuts efficiently.
If you look at the German model for how you do education, it's industry and education working hand in hand through an apprentice program all the way together. The research goes from the company to that school, and they're talking back and forth. It isn't all high-level research, it's applied research. That's the kind of a model the United States would greatly benefit from.
It takes a long time to change the culture, but increasingly people are starting to understand that college education of English, history, philosophy, what have you, it doesn't pay. And whereas manufacturing does pay, and so people are coming around to that.
At Wheeling High School in suburban Chicago, an area with several manufacturing firms nearby, the school's principal convinced 70 businesses to set up a manufacturing laboratory on campus and guarantee job interviews to anyone who completes a rigorous program.
Manufacturing, I don't isolate it in just the manufacturing sector. I connect it also with engineering. So I have over 300 students in the engineering program as well as the manufacturing program combined between 6th and 12th grade. And my goal is for them to experience both sides and figure out what is their pathway, what their future is going to be. It's an easy sell when we talk about the fact that if you're manufacturing, you're actually creating products that have a significant impact in the world. But you can also design it if you want to become an engineer and learn that side as well.
Beginning its second year, the program has placed its first dozen-plus graduates in manufacturing jobs locally.
The average salary today ranges from $45,000 to $140,000 in the manufacturing sector, with about $74,000 a year with benefits as an average salary. Students don't start off at that salary range. I know they go in as an entry level, but it's got a huge potential for them to access the middle class.
The Conference Board, the business and research group that measures labor demand, says the number of job openings for skilled factory workers is up 38% since 2005.
Thanks to that.